Hello, good morning, guys. This is your girl Stacy-Lee on Vibes TV. This morning I'll be doing some potato pudding, and we're doing it the Jamaican style. So, welcome back. Thanks for the love, the support, and we're going to get into it this morning with the potato pudding. So let's get our hands all washed. All right. So in the potato pudding, we already have the potato here. We cut the potato and peel it and chop them up in small pieces. Okay, put it in the bin, thank you. We have some flour, some raisins, some red label, the vanilla, some nut and egg, cinnamon, a little pinch of salt, and the coconut milk, some cornmeal, and sugar, and the butter, and some baking powder. Alright, so we're just going to add a little of the red label just to get this blending. Okay. So you're going to now add your flour. Okay, so you add a little cornmeal to it. Okay. We're adding the baking powder. So we put in 1 tablespoon. Let's make that 1.5. This is the cinnamon. Making this half. This one is the nut and egg. This is the salt. We're putting quarter tablespoon of the salt in it. All right. Now we're going to add the vanilla. All right. And just stir it in. Smell nice.
Daddy, no.
So we're just going to add the sugar here, get it all mixed out.
Oh. Okay, let's put the food in here. So let's put the food in.
So the sweet potato itself is sweet.
Let's put this in there. Throw the water in here.
Just adding some water to it. The sweet potato itself is sweet, so you don't need a lot of sugar in it. So you add, and then you take, you want the mixture too stiff, you want it a little bit running. So the potato pudding itself, not to be too dry. Let's add the butter to it. Get everything in now. It really smells nice. So just gonna taste it to see if it is sweet. It is. Don't want no more sugar. So the mixture is finished. Let's get the oven up and running.
Let's shake it, and now let's get the puzzle.
So we put the oven to preheat at 360. And now we're going to add our raisin to it. So this sugar that leave, we're going to use it later. So we're gonna add some raisin to it. And the raisin in itself is sweet. Just add a little wine to the raisin for blending. And you're not going to blend the raisin. You just chop it a little. So you want pieces of the raisin in it. You don't want everything to be blended out. Okay. So now this is now ready. So as I said, you want the mixture to be a little bit runny, not too dry. Now we're going to grease our baking tin. I'm just going to add a little cooking oil to it. And you're just going to distribute the oil in the baking tin. So this is to prevent the mixture from burning. Needs a little bit more. Just distribute it at the bottom and to the side. All right. And now you're going to add your mixture to it. Just pour it in. right, so that's for that one. So we have some more mixture left. You don't want to foam the thing too much.
Mommy, wait, I need something. Okay. I need something in some water.
So when the heat take it, it rise and come over.
Wait, I didn't use something.
So it's better you use 2 than to allow it to come over. And you have a pudding overflow. All right. And let's get this in. So I'm trying to get everything in it. Yes, guys, for those who grew up eating pudding, who remember those days?
Wait, I need some more. This water and two.
Make the cornmeal pudding. Who remember Toto? When you can't find anything, you just make a Toto to put in the pudding. And guys, Toto is just basically flour, sugar, and coconut. And whatever else you want to put into it to kind of bring it up. So when you're there home and you can't really find nothing else to put in the pudding, you just make a Toto. Alright. Oven is preheat. So we're going to get our puddings in. All right. All right. Get that in. Close it up. So as I was saying now, with the different kind of pudding, we can make potato pudding, cornmeal pudding, yam pudding, breadfruit pudding, just cassava pudding. My grandmother have tasted cassava pudding once in my life, and that was my grandmother. Mother Buck Jen Jen, big up yourself anywhere you're there in Montego Bay. Yeah? And from I taste that pudding, I fell in love with it. But I have never made it before. She's the only one who have made that pudding that I taste, and I really loved it. So anybody have the recipe for that cassava pudding? Let me know. Send me the recipe and I'll try it. So I was always saying that when we were younger and going to school, our parents most time, like on a Sunday, they will make the pudding. So in the morning, we can get peas. So sometimes we have the pudding with some mint tea, some cocoa tea, some orange tea, lemon tea, search me heart tea or milk. And you get peas, we eat it, and we go to school, and we learn. We didn't have anything fancy. We don't have no fancy egg and sausage and bread and fruits and vegetables. And we turn out, so these kids are very privileged having balanced diet. So they have no excuse for not learning.
Oh no.
The brain needs food, and all we had was a little pudding
Let's get some of this in here.
and
Let's put this in here. Wait,
and
I
tea.
guess
So let me know what you guys eat for breakfast those days and have to learn while going to school. Okay, we're now going to check the pudding and see what it looks like.
I want to taste the cake. Take it out, mommy. Take it out.
Alright, look at it.
Look at it, people.
Yes, Matt, look at it.
Whoa.
So it is well
And it's well.
dried out.
And it's dried out. And
Yes, finish.
it's finished. And it's dried out.
No, but
Look
you
at
want
Daddy
to-
bought this for you.
So let's put it up here.
Daddy bought grandma cake.
Yes, that's grandma pudding.
That's that cake.
Right.
So we're just going to let it cool out and then we'll come back and check it and see what it tastes like, okay?
It look delicious.
Yes, that's our potato pudding.
Delicious.
Yeah, my things are going in the Stacy-Lee Vibes TV. We'll come back and we'll check it. It's hot now. So we're just going to let it cool out and then we'll check it and cut it and see what it is like. We have come to the end of the sweet potato pudding. Myself and Matthias will be tasting the pudding, so we'll be cutting the pudding. The texture is comes out very good, so let us cut it and see what it looks like.
Whoa!
Awesome, Papa. So let's cut it.
Wow! Look at that one. Oh. Some, please.
Yes, you're gonna have some. So look at the texture. You can look at it. You'll see the raisin in it. So it is chopped small, so you don't get that big lump in it. It's not too tough and it's not too soft. So we'll be going to have it with some Jamaican sorrel. So let's taste it. Let's taste the sorrel, Matthias. Let's cut the pudding.
Wow!
Look at that, Matt. Let's taste it. Hold on.
Wow!
Come, this is yours.
Have a piece of yours, Matt.
Nice. So it's not too tough. And it's not too soft.
Matt, can I have a piece of yours?
Nice.
Thank you.
It's not too sweet.
Delicious.
It's really perfect. You're tasting the wine in it. You're tasting the coconut milk. Yes. And the raisin in it give it that nice texture too. Nice. Have it with some sorrel.
Nice.
Smell delicious.
Yes, guys. Everything up and fully charged. Sweet potato ready for the road. So this is your girl Stacy-Lee on Vibes TV. Let me know what you think about the sweet potato pudding. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Big up yourself.